Children, it is a next part of the chapter surface areas and volumes. Now let us start the exercise 2 of the chapter. First question. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So it is given that the radius of the conical portion and hemispherical portion both are same, that is r equals 1, and the height of the cone is equals to its radius, that is also 1 centimeter. So you take the solution. This solid is having two portions. One is the conical portion and the other one is the hemispherical portion, and both conical portion and hemispherical portion are having same radii. So here the radius is r equals to 1, and that height is also equals to 1. So you write for conical portion r equals 1 and h equals 1, that is 1 centimeter, and for hemispherical portion r equal again same radius, that is also 1 centimeter. Then volume of solid equals volume of conical part or conical portion plus volume of hemispherical portion. Then you write volume of conical portion. Write the formula to find the volume of the cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and plus, as you write here only, volume of hemispherical portion is 2 by 3 pi r cube, that equals, you can remove 1 by 3 common and pi common, you remove it outside. R square, r cube is there, r square can be removed as a common. Then in the bracket here what is remaining? H is remaining, plus here 1 by 3 is outside, so 2 is remaining, and pi is outside and r is there, so you will get h plus 2r. Then you write 1 by 3 pi as it is and put the value of r square, that is 1 square, then h is also 1 plus 2 into r, that is also 1, then it becomes 1 by 3 pi, 1 square is 1, you can, here 1 square is 1 means you can leave it, then 1 plus 2, then it becomes 1 by 3 pi into 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 cancels, you will get pi cm cube. The volume of solid is, we have to express this in terms of pi, so it is 5 cm cube. 5 cm cube is the volume. Then come to the second question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. Here the diameter of the model is given, that is 3 cm, and its length is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Here it is given the height of the conical part is equals to 2 cm. This part is also equals to 2 centimeter. Then the middle portion is equals to what? The whole length is given, that is 12 centimeter. 12 minus this 2 plus this 2. That becomes 2 plus 2, 12 minus 4, you will get 8 centimeter. That is the length of the cylindrical portion. So you can consider that as a height of the cylindrical portion. Then the height of the conical portion is 2. What you have to find out? You have to find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Here this is upper and lower portions are conical portion and the middle portion is cylindrical portion. Then you write solution. Then you write for cylindrical portion or cylindrical part, R is same, that is the diameter is how much? Diameter of the model is 3, so R is 3 by 2, and H, that is the length of the cylindrical portion, is equals to 8. And for conical part R equals what? Same, that is 3 by 2, and H is 2. Then volume of the model, you take volume of the model equals volume of cylindrical part plus 2 into volume of conical part. Then volume of the cylindrical part, you write the formula for the volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h plus, this is the volume of the cylindrical part you got. Then volume of the cone, that is 2 into volume of the cone. 2 into volume of the cone is 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here both the h are different. Height of the cylinder is different from the height of the cone. So you take, this is h1, h2. Then here also you write h1, h2. Then it becomes, you can remove pi r square outside because the radius is same. In the bracket you can write h1 plus 2 by 3 h2. Here h1 is 8, h2 is 2. That equals 22 by 7 into r is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. You write h1 is 8. h1 you have taken 8. Plus 2 by 3 into h2 is 2. Then you write 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into, that is 8 plus 2 2 is 4, 4 by 3. Then you take 22 by 7, you can cancel here by 2, 22 can be cancelled, you can cancel. 2 1s are 2 11s are, then you write 11 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 2, and here you take the LCM is 3, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, here 8 3s are, you have to get 24 plus 4, that equals 11 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 2, that is 28 by 3. 28 by 3, you know that 7 1s are, 7 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 3 3 cancels. Then what is remaining? 11 3s are 33, 33 2s are 66. 66, and here it is in centimeter. All are in centimeter. So write the unit cm cube. cm cube. Then you write the volume of the model is what is given here. What you have to find out? Find the volume of air contained in the model. Air contained in the model is nothing but the volume of the model made. So volume of air contained in the model. Volume of air contained in the model equals 66 cm cube. 66 cm cube. Now you take the third question. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Here there are 45 gulab jamuns, and find the volume of one gulab jamun and multiply that by 45. Then you will get the volume of the 45 gulab jamun. And 30% of this 45 gulab jamuns, 35% of the volume of the 45 gulab jamuns contains the syrup, sugar syrup, and we have to find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. So you take here solution. And gulab jamun is in the shape of cylinder. So if you consider the cylinder, let us have the rough sketch of the gulab jamun that is of cylindrical shape. Here the diameter is given. Diameter is how much? 2.8 centimeter, and hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter. So you take total length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. It includes the hemispherical ends. The radius of the hemispherical ends is here 1.4, 1.4. So the length of the cylindrical portion you will get 5 minus the sum of these two, that is nothing but the diameter, 5 minus 2.8. Then you will get 2.2. That is the length of the cylindrical portion, that is nothing but h. So you write here for hemispherical portion or hemispherical part, that is r equals, you write r equals how much? 2.8 by 2, that equals 1.4 centimeter. And also for cylindrical portion, cylindrical part, again the radius is same, that is 2.8 by 2 equals 1.4 centimeter, and h is nothing but the length of the cylindrical portion, that equals 5 minus 2.8, 5 minus 2.8, that equals 2.2. Now find the volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of a gulab jamun equal gulab jamun equals, what is that? Cylindrical volume of cylindrical part plus volume of hemispherical part. Hemispherical part. Volume of cylindrical part is pi r square h plus 2 into volume of hemispherical part, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then you can remove pi as a common outside, r square also outside. In the bracket you are going to put h, and this 2 2s are 4 by 3, that is h plus 2 2s are 4 by 3. Pi is outside, r square is outside. Here you will get r. Then put the value of pi. Pi is 22 by 7. R is here 1.4 whole square. You write 1.4 into 1.4 2 times. H is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into r. R is again 1.4. Then you write 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 2.2 plus you take 14 4s are 56 by 3. Again you take the LCM. 22 by 7 into 1.4 you can write here. You can cancel this. 7 ones are 7.2s are, and 22.2s are you will get 4.4 into 1.4, and take the LCM. LCM is 3 and it becomes 2.2 into 3, 6.6 plus 5.6, that equals 4.4 into 1.4 into sum of these two, 6.6 and 5.6. 6 plus 6 is 12, and you will get again 6 plus 6 12, 12.2 by 3. That is the volume of one gulab jamun. That is volume of a gulab jamun. That is how much it is. It is given in terms of cm, so it is cm cube. Next, volume of 45 gulab jamun equals 45 into 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 15s are 3 15s are. Now you multiply 15 into 4.4. 15 into 4.4, right? 44 into 15. 15 4 is 60. 15 4 is 60 plus 6, 66. So it becomes 66.066. Then 1.4 into 12.2. So take 122 into 14. 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28 plus 2 30. And 14 1s are 14 plus 3 17. So that is the decimal points are, that is 1.4, 12.2. So you will get 17.08. Now you take 17.08 into 66. So 8 6 are 48 and 6 7s are 42. 6 1s are 6 plus 4 10, plus again same you will get 8 4 2 1. It is 8 plus 4 12 and 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 2, 1, 1. So it becomes how much? 1127. You know that the decimal point is 08. Here also you take 2 digits after the decimal point. That becomes 1127.28 cm cube. So the volume of the 45 gulab jamun you got 1127. You got that 1127.28 cm cube. Now it is given that 30% of the volume of the gulab jamun contain syrup, sugar syrup. So you take volume of syrup equals volume of syrup equals volume of syrup equals, that is 30% of volume of gulab jamun, that is 1127.28. that is nothing but 30 by 100 into 1127.28. then 0 cancels, that is 3 by 10 means 0.3 into 1127.28. then you multiply 1127.28 into 3. So you take the decimal point afterwards. 1127.28.3. 8 3s are 24 and 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 7 3s are 21. 2 carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 8 and 11 3s are 33. Then here 1127.28, this is also 0.3. then you must put the point here. The digits after the decimal point will be 3 digits here. 3 digits are after the decimal point. This 2 digit plus this 1 digit becomes 3 digit. So put the decimal point here. After the decimal point there must be 3 digits. So you write that equals 338.184 cm cube. But here we have to find the approximate value. Approximate value means you can leave this because this is less than 500. So it becomes approximately, you write 338 cm cube, that is approximately. Now the fourth question. What is that? A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimension of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Here to find the volume of the wood in the entire stand, get the volume of the complete cuboidal box, cuboidal shaped, and in that volume you have to subtract the 4 into volume of each conical shape depression. Then write the solution for cuboid. Write L equals 15 cm, B equals 10 cm and H equals 3.5 cm. And for conical depression, what is R? R equals, the radius of the conical depression is given, that is 0.5 cm, 0.5 cm, and H equals 1.4 cm. H equals 1.4 cm. Then you take volume of wood in the entire stand equals volume of wood in the entire stand equals what? Volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of conical depression. 4 into volume of conical depression. That is 4 depressions are there. They are in the conical shape. So total volume of the cuboid minus 4 into volume of the conical depression. Then what is the formula to find the volume of the cuboid? That is L into B into H minus 4 into volume of the conical depression, that is 5. What is the formula to find the volume of the cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square H. Then this H is different from this H. So you can't remove any common here. Then you substitute the values. That is 15 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into R is 0.5, H is 1.4 centimeter. Then here 15 into 10 is 150, 150 into 3.5, or you take 35 into 150, then 15 5 is 75, 15 3 is 45 plus 7 52, one extra 0 put here, that becomes 5250. Then it is 3.5, so you write 525. Then you write 525 minus, here 7 ones are 7, here r square H means you must write 0.5 2 times into 1.4. 0. R square is there, so it is R into R. Then 7 ones are 7, 0.2s are. Then you write 4 ones are 4, 422 the 88 into 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. But here 1, 2, 3, 3 decimal points are there. So you take 0, that becomes 0.050 into 88. Then you write 88 into 50, 88 into 50, that is 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44, extra 0 you put, that becomes 1, 2, 3, 3 digits are there after the decimal point, so it becomes 525 minus 4.400 you can leave here, that divided by 3. Then again you divide 4.4 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 1 4, point you write, 3 4s are 12, again 2 is remaining, 0, 3, 6 is 18, again 2, 6, approximately you can take 525 minus 1.466 is approximately equals to 1.47. Then you subtract 1.47 by 525. 525 minus 1.47. Put 0 here. That is 10 minus 7 is 3. And 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 5 means here 4 is remaining. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 2. Then it is 523.53 cm cube. The volume of the wood in the wooden stand is how much? 523 minus 53 cm cube.